everybody, Carrie Baucom. I'm Carrie Baucom. I'm a 6th, 7th, and 8th grade special education teacher from the northwest suburbs of Illinois. And this is episode 5, the 23-day project. If you've been following along, for the last 4 episodes of my journey into vlogging, you have watched this 3-part series that I had on how you can use sketchnoting's parts to bring out the best in your students and enhance your teaching. And today I'm really excited to not only be wrapping up that series, and I'll be talking about sketchnoting a lot because I love it and I think it's amazing and I can't wait to share more ideas with you. But today I wanted to really do something different and share a different part of me with you guys. And I really wanted to show you guys a piece of my heart and also take you into my classroom with me and share this story that, this journey that I've been on with my students that started with me doing something away from my classroom and then bringing it into my classroom. And it is something that has become, I think, an incredible part of my classroom and something my students enjoy. And I'm just really excited to share with you today the adventure that I've been on and the journey my students are now on with me in my classroom. So let's get started. All right, you guys, so as you can see, I took a different twist this episode, didn't I? And I shared my journey into a new adventure in a different way. And I took this project called the 100-Day Project by Ella Luna, and I'll put a link to her website in the episode notes for you. And I participated in this project, and it had a profound impact on me as a person, and as a creator, and it taught me so many amazing things. I couldn't help but be inspired by this experience, and I couldn't contain myself or the desire to bring it into my classroom and give my students the same opportunity to feel this infusion of growth by working on one thing for multiple days over and over and over again, and then sharing that progress out with the world. And so the 100-day project was my inspiration for my 23-day project. I wanted to capture that infusion of creativity and that infusion of, that moment of seeing myself take that little hamster from a box and take it all the way into those 4 characters in the forest and find this piece of me that I didn't know I was even capable of, and give that smallest little experience to my students so they could also see that if you take one goal and work on it for 10 minutes a day for multiple days over and over and over again, and then reflect on that journey, we learned that amazing things could happen. And so aside from acquiring a new skill or improving on an old skill, my students also found that it was fun. It gave them a break in their routine of the day to just take 10 minutes out of their day in the school day to fill themselves up with something that they found joy in, rather than me telling them what to do. So whether you decide to use this project in your classroom, if you do, I would love to hear what you think or how you get it all to work. Or I would also love to hear, have you guys experienced something outside of your classroom that you've brought into your classroom, and how did that go, and how did that impact your students? I would love to hear a story about that if you have that story, that type of story as well. I guess that's it for this episode, you guys. If you want to continue to follow me along on this journey, this vlogging journey that I'm on, please outline that subscribe button. You'll get a notification whenever I post a new video. And if you are here still till the end, still watching me, I'd really love a big thumbs up. Color in that thumbs up button. So just remember, whether it's your students or learning or just being you, there are no rules.